Alright, question 13, the homework, the first line, def get slope. It told me make a function for the get slope. Right, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. It's helping me get the slope right here. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 with the parentheses to make sure to like in order that I wanted to do. This return m will help me for later on to return this function. Same thing with this one, except this is for the intercept. This equation will help me get the intercept by plugging in the value of x1, y1, x2, y2, putting in this equation, return the intercept, which b, return b, so I could pick it up later on. This function. These two are just to make it a function. So this the first line is asking you to enter x1, and then this is gonna make you, this one is asking for enter y1 as input, which is a whole number. Also x2 and y2, this slope equals get slope, which is right here. So this return value made this possible to get slope, and plug in x1, y1, x2, y2 into these values, which later on I'll just plug into this equation, which will return m. And then this print will ask me to go back to this function and get whatever value I got from it with these values right here. This line is for the second part of the question. x1, ask you to enter x1, ask you to enter y1, ask you to enter x2, ask you to enter y2. This tells me to go back all the way up to this function right here, plug all these values into this function to return the y-intercept. And the print will, the intercept will go back over here, put the equation down, and return b. So keep the value, and then print will say go back and get that value and print it over here.